guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would vlog for you guys. I feel like the last time I was really consistently doing vlogs was when I was pregnant and we were moving into this house, and would you look at that, I'm pregnant again and we're moving again. It seems like nothing has really changed. So if you haven't watched me in the last 2 years, congrats, you haven't missed anything. I figured I should start this video off with a little bit of a pregnancy update, and I will actually show you guys what my bump looks like because I have finally popped. I am showing. This is my outfit for today. It is like gross and rainy outside. So since I'm mostly inside for the day, I thought I would bust out this sweatshirt, and I'll come a little closer to show you guys this sweatshirt. But I got this a few weeks ago and I've been so excited to wear it. Just paired it with some bike shorts and some more like stylish tennis shoes, and if I go outside I'll put a hat on top of this. But yeah, that is my like chill getting stuff done outfit. Hold my sweatshirt up to show you guys my bump. As you can tell, I have finally popped. I'm definitely out there, and if I am like not holding it up, if I'm not really standing straight and trying, just let it go. That's what I look like, and I definitely look more pregnant like that. I am 19 weeks pregnant today. I'm like reaching for my phone right now to pull up the app and actually see what size like fruit or vegetable I am. Today it says that baby is the size of a mango. A week from today, I will be at my 20-week anatomy scan, which means I will be halfway through this pregnancy, which is insane because I've really only talked about it once on my channel so far, and I'm already at the halfway point, which feels really wild and really crazy considering how much we have to do until this baby is born. I'm still so tired. I'm gonna be yawning throughout this whole video, and I apologize in advance. I really was hoping that my energy would return with the second trimester. Nope, I'm still so tired. Pregnancy style this time around is so different. So far, my pregnancy style has been very like casual and activewear. And I don't know if that's just like how I'm feeling this time around, or also because I'm literally chasing Kennedy around all day. And every morning when I get dressed, I'm just like, what can I throw on to chase a toddler around the yard and like potentially play with like water and chalk and do all that kind of stuff. I thought I was gonna want to wear like all tight tank top dresses again like I did last time, and so far I have not reached for them at all. I also don't know how much of that is just due to like quarantine in general and not going anywhere. There's not this really huge desire to get super dressed when you're staying in your own yard, you know? I found like a few loose maxi dresses that I really wanted to get this pregnancy, but now that we are moving houses, we have a new baby on the way, I have another nursery to decorate and put together. I am really trying to save money and not spend on things. So I've just been like keeping an eye and tracking the things that I want to see if they end up going in sale. Speaking of that, I have to show you guys the app that I'm using for that. I'm using a shop tagger, and you guys are going to be obsessed with it if you don't already use it. Shop tagger is so easy to use. Once you sign up, you can actually add the extension to your browser, and that way when you are shopping, shop tagger can pop up and you can quickly save the items that you're already looking at. They will notify you when they either go on sale or there's a change in price or it comes back in stock. Shop Tagger also allows you to categorize the items that you're looking at into multiple lists. This has been super helpful for me because when I'm browsing around, if I see a dress that I like, or if I see something that I really like for the nursery or for the babies, I can just save them, and that way Shop Tagger does all the work for me and I don't have to continuously check back. It will just alert me instead when it goes on sale. Shop Tagger works with so many brands. They work with all of my personal favorite brands for clothing, and they actually just launched a new cash back feature, so a lot of the brands offer cash back through them as well. Shop Tagger also shows you coupon codes at checkout. It will actually pop up when you're checking out to let you know if there are coupons available. If you guys are interested in starting to save money by using Shop Tagger, I will link them down below in the description. Shop Tagger is completely free for you to use. It just really helps you save more money with your online shopping, so I highly recommend it. Speaking of sales and shopping, this year's Nordstrom sale is actually pushed back by a month, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it because I cover it on my channel and I have for the last couple of years. If you don't know what it is, Nordstrom's anniversary sale is when they release their new fall products, but they release them first at a discounted price. after the sale, the prices go back to their original prices that they will be for the rest of the fall. So this is the time of the year where I stock up on the best basics for the fall, because those pieces that I know that I love and will wear all fall and winter long are on sale. That means I buy like the Spanx faux leather leggings, the things that I rewear all winter long, I buy during the sale, because typically through the year, those items don't go on sale. They're always full price. The way the Nordstrom sale also works is it's open to the general public from a certain date. I'll put that on the screen. But if you are a Nordstrom card holder, you can access the sale before the general public can. And you don't actually have to be like an active spender on your Nordstrom card. You can literally go open the card the day before the sale and be able to access the sale, because a lot of the pieces sell out during early access, and then a lot of the times they don't come back when it's released to the general public. So I wanted to ask you guys what you guys think about this, because I'm trying to determine with my content what I'm going to do, because what I've done in the past is I'll go the very first day I'm allowed to shop the sale, I'll buy the pieces in store, and then last year I filmed like a haul and I posted it so that way everyone else could shop it and be able to use it as kind of like a guide. And 2 years ago I did my fall fashion video and I timed it with when the general sale would be opening so you guys could shop those pieces as well on sale. I don't know if I'm going to go in store to shop the sale, just with everything going on with COVID and with me being pregnant. I don't know if it's worth the risk of going in store. So I was just wondering, if I did, order a bunch of stuff online, would you guys want me to show you what I ordered and just show you screenshots of what I bought and why I bought it, with the links down below in case you guys are interested in like shopping along with me and seeing what I purchased from the sale? Or are you guys only interested in like that fall fashion video once the stuff has made it to me? If I don't go to the store and I buy it online, I might not be able to link it to you guys while it's still on sale if it takes a while. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I put up a haul video first so you guys can see it and still be able to access it while it's on super sale if you like something that I show. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. I'm still deciding. Maybe I will go in store so I can film for you guys. I'm taking it as like safely as possible. I've literally gone nowhere because I'm just really concerned with being pregnant with everything going on. So one of the number one requests I've gotten for you guys to talk about in a vlog is everything related to the move and the new house. First off, I just need to reiterate, this is not a new house. Like, we are moving into a fixer-upper. This is an older home. So like, yes, it is a new house to us that we're living in, but it is by no means like a new house. I explain way more about this in the video I posted at the beginning of this year called How I'm Saving Money in 2020. So I will relink that down below in the description in case you don't know what I'm talking about and you've never seen that video. So much about the house is going to be better for us day to day, for our family life, the area that we're in, the amount of money we're saving. Like, it just makes a lot of sense to do this move from our family perspective, but it is not a new house. It is a fixer-upper. I had grand plans when it came to the fixer-upper content, but I'm sure you guys can understand that with the pandemic and with everything that happened and is still happening with COVID, it's really messed up our timelines and really changed things. In the beginning, we had some projects that were starting that got completely put on hold, obviously, understandably. And then once they could be picked back up, a lot of the people who were doing the work only agreed to work on our house because no one was living in it yet. So it was safe for them to go and work in it because they weren't surrounded by people, and it ended up being like a blessing in disguise for us that projects could still get done. But at the same time, I didn't want to be like going over there to film a time lapse of what was happening, because I felt like that would be really rude to be like, yeah, you can come over, no one lives here, and then show up and be trying to film them, because the whole reason they agreed to do it is because no one would be there. So I have gotten some like before and after content. I obviously took pictures of things before. A lot of it I didn't get while it was happening, which I wanted to, but obviously I picked, people's safety and their comfort over content. We completely changed the living space, and right now we're also working on the kitchen, so that's going to be completely different from when we started to when we actually move in, and I will show you guys everything that I can with that. And the room that I'm going to be working in, like my office, is also completely done, and that was something that looks so different and it's such a shocking makeover. So I really can't wait to show you guys those things. There's still a lot of projects in the house that we would like to do things to, but we're either going to move in and take them on like as time goes, or we might not do them at all because we don't know realistically how long we'll be in this house either. But for today, I thought I would share with you guys like a sneak peek at the kids' rooms because I'm currently in the process of designing those rooms, and I thought it'd be really fun to kind of do like a shop with me for the new house and show you guys what I'm thinking and get your opinions on some things. These are both very basic bedrooms. They're like blank canvases right now. So since this home is also not our forever home, which again, I need to put that out there now because people seem to be shocked every time I move, but at some point we would like to move somewhere warmer. So this is not our forever house that we're about to be moving into. It's just like a better financial and better life decision for us for the next few years. So that's what we're doing it. That's why I'm not doing like crazy wallpaper and like crazy things to this house. We're kind of making this like a nice fixer-upper, but an easily also like flippable house in case we need to flip it when the time is right. For these nurseries, they're going to be neutral nurseries. There's not going to be like paint or wallpaper, so I'm doing no paint nurseries as well. I thought I would show you guys what I'm thinking. So if anyone knows how to actually make like cool mood boards or if there are apps for it, let me know because I just quickly made this in Photoshop. This is what I'm thinking for Kennedy's room. This is the rug I currently have in my office, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to repurpose this rug in there because it's a little bit on the smaller side for the room. If I put her in the room, I'm thinking if I buy a different rug for her nursery, I was thinking of getting this like braided area rug because this one comes in a little bit bigger. I could get this in a 9x12 versus an 8x10. So let me know down below in the comments which one you like better. But I feel like for this room, since the walls are going to be white, I'm going to have cream drapes in the room. And then I really like the idea of having this kind of flush mount because the ceilings are lower because it's a much older house. So instead of a chandelier, I just want to do this flush mount. I have this gold mirror already. I ordered this tapestry and I want to get these shelves. For the second room, this is the look I'm going for, more of like an earth tone neutral nursery, and I already bought this crib and this rug, and we have this olive tree already. These are prints that I ordered off of Etsy, so I'm gonna do like animal prints above the crib. I might get a large animal, and then I'm gonna have a lot of like greenery. I have a sign that I bought also that I don't have in this collage, but I have a sign that says welcome to my crib. That's so cute. And I'm gonna get this dresser from IKEA. I think it's gonna look a lot better once it's all together, especially when the animal prints are hung up. I think it'll be really cute. Let me know your thoughts down below if you like seeing like the mood boards of what I'm thinking for the house and kind of doing this like shop with me kind of video and seeing behind the scenes of things. I know it's not as exciting as like full reveal videos, but we're not there yet. I haven't decorated the rooms yet, but when I do, obviously I'll show you guys those and I'll show me like putting the room together and unpacking and organizing and all that kind of stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.